clip I'm just going to be sharing some of my reflections on having gone to Iraq for the 40-day commemoration of the martyrdom of the grandson of the Holy Prophet, Imam Hussein, peace be upon him. This is meant to be one of the largest peaceful gatherings on earth, and it takes place 40 days after the day that Imam Hussein, peace be upon him, was killed on the battlefield on the plains of Karbala, which is an area that is near to what was at that time the garrison of Kufa. It's been interesting mentioning this event on social media because what I have discovered is that according to some Muslims it's almost like a sin to mention what happened to Imam Hussein and his family, and it is a very sensitive issue, obviously because it is associated with the followers of Ali ibn Abi Talib, peace be upon him, the so-called Shia of Imam Ali, peace be upon him, and it is also associated with centuries and centuries of propaganda against the Shia, the followers of Imam Ali, and those who believe that Imam Ali was the rightful successor after the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Due to these centuries of propaganda that initially started with propaganda against Imam Ali, peace be upon him, himself, before he became rehabilitated as the fourth rightly guided caliph about 2 to 2.5 centuries after he was killed. This propaganda started against him and then it was transferred to his family. And such has the propaganda been inculcated in the minds of many Muslims that it has become a very sensitive issue to even mention what happened in the month of Muharram when Imam Hussein and his sons and his nephews were killed in the face of the thousands that were gathered under the banner of Yazid, the son of Muawiyah. And this strikes me as being not very logical. And this takes me back to the point with regard to why I moved from what eventually became Sunni Islam to what eventually became Shi'i Islam. And one of those main points as to why I did move my madhab or my school within the practice of Islam is because